Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I've got a really handy little thing that is useful for a quick transfer of established sketches. You know, yes, we do carry transfer paper. We've got the white or we have the graphite. Yes, we do carry projectors, but sometimes those can be a little bit, you know, a lot of setup for quick, you know, a little teeny piece, and it can be kind of like a bit of a hassle. So what we have instead here is a really quick cheat to kind of get you from point A to point B quickly without a whole lot of hassle. So let me show you something cool. This is something that I do often. I got my sketch. I'm ready, kind of know where I'm going with this, got my idea going. All right, so what I do is I actually make a quick copy because I don't want to ruin my sketch in case I change my idea or want to do something else. But I'll retain my sketch, but then I will run myself a copy. If you don't have a little copy machine in your studio, that's crazy because it's good. So I'm going to set my American Journey sketchbook to the side here. And then what I'm going to do is I have my copy and then I have my surface that I want to transfer my drawing onto. All right. So then what I'm going to do is I have a soft charcoal stick here in a case, but keep in mind you can use vine charcoal, you can use compressed charcoal, you can use graphite stick, anything that's soft like this you can use very, very quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay a really quick line of charcoal onto my sketch, right? And we're not looking, I mean, you don't need to make it super, super dark because you don't want a whole cloud of charcoal on your finished space. Okay, so I'm going to set this, actually I'm going to compose this a little differently. Move it over here. Now you can tape this down to the surface or you can just hold it in place because really I'm just looking to get some quick reference lines in here. I'm not saying everything about the whole piece. I'm just laying in some quick stuff. So we're just keeping the good parts of our sketch and what we like about it. And as you can see, it's laying down a really, really light charcoal line that you can then go through and take out the parts that you don't need. Any part of this that you feel is like unnecessary later, you can just come back quickly and take this out. But we're just going to lay in our basic shapes, and it quickly and easily transfers onto your finished surface in just a couple minutes, and you don't have to go through a big hassle, not a whole bunch of setup. Quick, easy reference lines ready to go. So this is a handy little trick, super cheap, super effective, works great, and we hope that you will enjoy.